Class 4 IMO Level 2 Sample Paper 2026. Mathematics question number 1. The greatest 5-digit even number that can be formed from the digits 1, 0, 9 and 7 using each digit at least once is. The greatest 5-digit number that can be formed from the digits 1, 0, 9 and 7 is 99710, and this is an even number. Note here in 99,710, the largest digit is used twice in the thousands and 10,000s place to obtain the largest 5-digit number. The greatest 5-digit even number that can be formed using the digits is 99,710. Mathematics question number 2. How many lines of symmetry can be drawn in the given figure? A regular star shape has 5 lines of symmetry. Mathematics question number 3. Compare the following and put the correct signs. Here 6,708, 4,254 is equal to 10,962, and 9,873 minus 3,766 is equal to 6,107. Therefore, 10,962 is greater than 6,107. Mathematics question number 4. The given amount of money was saved by Rekha in 4 months. If she saves the same amount of money every month, then how much will she save in 2 years? The amount of money Rekha saved in 4 months is equal to 368 rupees. For 1 month, she saved 368 divided by 4, which is equal to 92 rupees. For 12 months, she saved 2,208 rupees. Mathematics question number 5. Which of the following options gives the least value? The A option is 6 kg 105 grams. In B option we get 15 kg 108 grams. In the C option we get 24 kgs 825 grams. And in the D option we get 10 kgs 910 grams. Therefore, the option which gives the least value is the A option. Mathematics question number 6. Study the given figure and select the correct option. Total number of hexagons is 12. The total number of shaded hexagons is 4. The total number of unshaded hexagons is 8. And fraction for shaded hexagon is equal to 4 by 12, which can be further simplified and given equivalent fraction, that is 1 by 3. And for fraction of unshaded hexagon, we can give equivalent fraction as 2 by 3. So the correct option can be both A and B. Mathematics question number 7. Arjun had a photo album in which 12 photographs are there on each of its 28 pages. He rearranged the photographs in a new album which has 24 pages. How many photographs will be there on each page of the new album if we arrange them equally on each page? Number of pages in the photo album is equal to 28. Number of photos in each page is equal to 12. Therefore, total number of photos is equal to 336. Now he rearranges 336 photos in 24 pages. Therefore, number of photos in each page is equal to 14. Mathematics question number 8. The given bar graph shows the number of students participated in a chess competition from different schools. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. First, let us see how many students participated in a chess competition from schools P, Q, R, S and T. Let us mark all these. Now let us come to the question. How many total students participated from school Q, R and T altogether? So total number of students who participated from schools Q, R and T altogether is 185. How many more students participated from schools P and S together than from school Q? Number of students from school Q is 60. Number of students from P and S is equal to 105. Therefore, 45 more students participated from schools P and S together than from school Q. Find the fraction of number of students participated from school R to the total number of students participated from all the schools. Total number of students from P, Q, R, S and T is equal to 290. The fraction of number of students participated from school R to the total number of students participated from all schools is equal to 75 by 290. The equivalent fraction for this is 15 by 18. Mathematics question number 11. How many more squares must be shaded to form the given figure a square of side 5 units? Right now this square is a side of 3 units by seeing it in the lengthwise. Now, in order to make this 5 units, we have to first fill the gaps and add 2 more rows from the bottom in order to make this square a 5 unit length square. After adding 2 rows and filling up the spaces, we can see that we need 16 more squares to make this square a 5 unit square. Mathematics question number 12. Compare the following and put the correct sign. First one. Sum of place values of digits at 100 place and at 10,000 place in the number 70,598 is. Digit at 10,000 place is equal to 7. Digit at 100 place is equal to 5 and place value is 500. Sum of place values is equal to 70,500. Second one. Place value of digit at thousands place in the number 99,850. Digit at thousands place is equal to 8 and its place value is 8,000. Therefore, 70,500 is greater than 8,000. Mathematics question number 13. Which of the following options gives the least value? Fourth multiple of 7 is 28, ninth multiple of 2 is 18, greatest factor of 15 is 15, smallest factor of 20 is 1. Therefore, the D option gives the least value. Mathematics question number 14. Meena attended a yoga class which lasted for 1 hour 15 minutes. She took 10 minutes to walk to the home from class and reached home at 3:45 p.m. At what time did her yoga class start? Given she reached home at 3:45 p.m. Before reaching home, she attended a yoga class for 1 hour and 15 minutes and then walked home for 10 minutes. So, total time she took is equal to 1 hour 25 minutes. Start time of yoga class is equal to 3:45 minus 1 hour 25 minutes, that is 2:20 p.m. Mathematics question number 15. Find the value of x if the perimeter of the given figure is 68 centimeters. First, let us try to find the missing sides. Now, since the top part is 6 centimeters, bottom part and it will also be 6 centimeters. Similarly, this part underlined in red will also be 4 centimeters. This another part will also be 4 centimeters. Now, if we take this whole figure as a rectangle, we can find one of its length, that is 12 centimeters. If one of its length is 12 centimeters, then the opposite side is equal to 12 centimeters. So, the opposite side will also be 12 centimeters. By using this, we can find the value of the variable that we have given, that is y. If we find the value of y, we will get it as 6 centimeters. Now, using the perimeter of the given figure, we can find the value of x. So, x is equal to 6 centimeters. Mathematics question number 16. What fraction of the given figure is shaded? The total number of squares is equal to 24 squares. Number of full shaded squares is equal to 2. Number of half shaded squares is equal to 12. Total number of shaded squares is equal to 2 plus 12 by 2, which is equal to 8. Fraction of shaded figures is equal to 8 by 24, which has an equivalent fraction, that is 1 by 3. So, the fraction of shaded part of the figure is 1 by 3. Mathematics question number 17. Weight of one apple is dash grams. Here each division is 1 unit and number of balls is 9. Since the weight of 9 balls is 18 grams, the weight of one ball is equal to 2 grams. Now in the second measuring scale, we can see that there is 3 balls and plus 1 apple. Since we already know the weight of one ball, we can substitute the value of balls and we can find the value of the apple. If we do that, we can see that apple is equal to 22 grams. Mathematics question number 18. How many of the following letters have at least one line of symmetry? 5 letters have at least one line of symmetry. Mathematics question number 19. Ravi bought a sack of rice of weight 25 kgs 325 grams. If he packed 3 kgs 200 grams rice equally in 7 packets, then how much quantity of rice is left in the sack? Weight of rice Ravi bought is equal to 25 kgs 325 grams. 3 kgs 200 grams of rice is packed equally in 7 packets. Therefore, total quantity he packed is equal to 22 kgs 400 grams. Amount of rice left in the sack is equal to total amount he bought subtracted by total amount he packed, which is equal to 2 kgs 925 grams. Mathematics question number 20. X value, Y value and Z value are given and we have to find the estimate value of X plus Y plus Z when rounded off to nearest hundreds place. If we solve X, we will get 13,775. Y will get 53,363 and Z will get 43,127. Therefore, X plus Y plus Z is equal to 1,10,265 and when rounded off to nearest hundreds, we get 1,10,300. Mathematics question number 21. Which of the following statements is correct? First one, P is the largest among all the numbers. False. Q is the largest. S is the smallest among all the numbers. False. P is the smallest. P is the smallest among all the numbers. Yes, this is true. R is the largest among all the numbers. False. Q is the largest among the numbers. Mathematics question number 22. Which of the following options has the same shaded fraction as the unshaded fraction of the given figure? Now let us split these triangles into two to make it easier for our calculations. Now the total part is 18. Unshaded part is equal to 9 and unshaded fraction is equal to 1 by 2. In the A option, total part is 8 and the shaded part is 3 and the shaded fraction is 3 by 8, not 1 by 2. In the B option, total part is 8 and the shaded part is 4. Fraction is equal to 1 by 2, so B option is correct. In the C option, total part is 8 and shaded part is 4 and the shaded fraction is equal to 1 by 2. So both B and C are the correct option. Mathematics question number 23. The given pictograph shows the number of marbles collected by 5 friends during a year. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions. Who collected maximum number of marbles in the year? Manish collected maximum number of marbles. Find the difference between number of marbles collected by Amit and Rashi. Amit collected 35 marbles and Rashi collected 30 marbles. The difference between number of marbles collected by Amit and Rashi is 5 marbles. Find the fraction of number of marbles collected by Kriti and Preeti together to the total number of marbles collected by all the friends. The number of marbles collected by Kriti and Preeti together is 75. The number of marbles collected by all the friends is equal to 195. The fraction of number of marbles collected by Kriti and Preeti together to the total number of marbles collected by all the friends is equal to 75 by 195. And dividing both the numerator and denominator by 15, we get the equivalent fraction for this fraction as 5 by 13. Mathematics question number 26. The length of road A is 130 km 750 meter, length of road B is 98 km 411 meter and length of road C is 223 km 42 meters. Find the difference of length of road A and B together and the length of road C. Length of road A and B together is equal to 229 km 161 meters. Difference of length of road A and B together and length of road C is equal to 6 kilometers 119 meters. Mathematics question number 27. A bus which was scheduled to arrive at bus stand P got 75 minutes late. It leaves the bus stand P after 40 minutes and reaches bus stand Q at 20:35 hours. After 5 hours 20 minutes of journey, find its scheduled time to arrive at bus stand P. Scheduled time at P can be calculated by subtracting the total time delay from arrival time at Q. Total time delayed is equal to journey time plus waiting time plus late time, which is equal to 7 hours 15 minutes. Now the scheduled arrival time at P is equal to 20:35 hours minus 7 hours 15 minutes, that is 13:20 or 1:20 p.m. Mathematics question number 28. Which of the following options show the given number arranged in descending order? Descending order of the numbers corresponds to the B option. Mathematics question number 29. Which of the following is the smallest? Option A is 949, option B is 711, option C is 914, and option 4 is 304. The smallest here is 304, that is the D option. Mathematics question number 30. Find the value of P and Q respectively. 84,956 minus 43,214 and P is 41,742. From the value of P, if we add 32,405, we get the value of Q, that is 74,147. Achiever section question number 31. If QRST, TUVX are rectangles and PQXW, MLUN are squares, then the perimeter of the given figure is given. QRST and TUVX are rectangles. PQXW and MLUN are squares. First, let us find the values of missing sides of the square, since all the sides of a square are equal. Now, we know that RS is 20 centimeters and QX is 13 centimeters. So, we can find the value of XT, that is 20 minus 13, that is 7 centimeters. Then we know the value of xt, that is 7 centimeters. We know the value of lu, that is 4 centimeters. So the value of vl is equal to 3 centimeters. Here ts is equal to us minus ut, which is equal to us minus vw plus pq, which is equal to 25 centimeters minus 19 plus 13 centimeters, that is 3 centimeters. So the value of ts is 3 centimeters. Now we can find the perimeter of the given figure, that is 98 centimeters. Achiever section question number 32. Which of the following options is correct? A option. The place value of the digit at hundredths place in the sum of 7,800s, 2 tens, 5 ones and 5,000, 17 tens, 3 ones is 9. So this is equal to 7,825 plus 5,173, which is equal to 12,998. The place value of the digit at hundredths place is 900, not 9. So this is false. B. The Roman numeral for 6,827 minus 5,915 is CMXII. Yes, this is true, because 6,827 minus 5,915 is equal to 912. Option C. The number of common multiples of 7 and 15 which are less than 150 is 2. Multiples of 7 less than 150 are listed below. The multiples of 15 less than 150 is listed below. The number of common multiples of 7 and 15 which are less than 150 is 1. Therefore, the correct option is the B option. Achiever section question number 33. Observe the given abacuses carefully and fill in the blanks. The number name as shown on abacus Q is 26,358. The number shown on abacus P is dash than the number shown on abacus Q is more than the number shown on abacus Q. If the beads at tens place and thousands place get interchanged in abacus P, and then the correct number on abacus P is 74,512. Achiever section question number 34. If x plus y plus y plus z is equal to 23 3 by 10 and y plus z is equal to 911 by 20 and y minus z is equal to 323 by 60, then find the value of x plus y. Let us take x plus y plus z is equal to 23 3 by 10 as equation 1 and y plus z is equal to 911 by 20 as equation 2 and y minus z is equal to 323 by 60 as equation 3. Adding equation 2 and 3, we get 2y is equal to 191 by 20 plus 203 by 60. If we solve for y, we will get the value of y as 97 by 15. Now let us take equation 1. This can be written as x plus y plus z which is equal to 23 3 by 10. Then we can substitute the value of y plus z over here, and we can find the value of x. If we find the value of x, we will get 21 by 5. Now, x plus y is equal to 160 by 15. That can be written as 10 2 by 3. Achiever section question number 35. The given bar graph shows the amount of money saved by Rashi during the given six months of a particular year. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions. How much more money did she save in January and May together than in April? And what is the fraction of amount of money saved in February and June together to the amount of money saved in March and April together? First, let us find the amounts for all the 6 months given in the graph. Now let us move on to the question. Money she saved in the months January and May together is equal to 5,500 rupees. Money she saved in April is equal to 4,500 rupees. In April, she saved 1,000 rupees more money than she saved in January and May together. Question 2. Money she saved in February and June together is equal to 6,750. Money she saved in March and April together is equal to 7,500. The fraction of amount of money saved in February and June together to the amount of money saved in March and April together is equal to 6,750 by 7,500 is equal to 27 by 30, which is equal to 9 by 10. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload.